Welcome to your first paper activity. In these activities, you'll first watch a video. The video will demonstrate how to solve problems. You will then be asked to solve similar problems. You will find these questions on the next 2 pages. You will see there's a level 1 and a level 2. You only need to choose one level. Level 1 is challenging, level 2 is even more challenging. So for this paper activity, we're going to be multiplying by 1 and 0. Now, 2 things I should remember. One of those is whenever I multiply a number by 1, the answer is that number itself. For example, 63 times 1 is 63. However, when I multiply by a 0, the answer will always be zeros because 0 groups of something is absolutely nothing at all. So it seems obvious, but it's something that people get mixed up. So always remember, when you multiply by 0, the answer will always be 0. So let's have a look at these here. 4 multiplied by something equals 4. Well, that must be 1 because when I multiply a number by 1, the answer is the number itself. So that rule also applies to 63 multiplied by 1, which is 63. Now, this question is aimed to confuse you a little bit. All it's asking for is the answer first. Now, it doesn't matter which side the answer goes on an equal sign. An equal sign means that both sides must be exactly the same. So 7 multiplied by 1, I'm going to apply the same rule. When I multiply by 1, the answer is the number itself. So the answer is 7. Now, on this question, I've got to fill in a gap. The answer is 0, and I'm multiplying 27. Now, if I remind myself of the rule, whenever I multiply by 0, the answer is always 0. So again, I've got another answer of 0. I'm going to use the same rule. Whenever I multiply by 0, the answer is always 0. And for the last question, I can see that 50 multiplied by something equals 50. Now, again, I know that if I multiply something by 1, the answer is the number itself. So 50 multiplied by 1 is 50. Now it's your turn. Don't forget to select one level.